So today we are testing IC555 timer module. I brought this IC online. The link is given in the description. So here is the module. It is based on the famous IC555 timer, one of the most widely used integrated circuits in electronics. This module can generate square wave pulses and is commonly used in PWM control signal generation, LED flashing circuits, and timing application. The onboard potentiometer allows us to vary the output waveform. Now let's connect the module to the DC power supply and observe the output using an oscilloscope. The IC generates unstable mode, meaning it continuously generates pulses without any external triggering. Here you can see the square wave output generated by the IC. As I rotate the potentiometer, note how the waveform changes from wide to narrow. The pulse frequency increases at the one end and decreases at the other. This happens because of the potentiometer changes the charging and discharging time of the capacitor inside the timing IC. You can see the noise when the signal comes to zero. Now let's compare the output with the servo tester circuit. Since both circuits generate pulse signals, this servo tester produces PWM signals designed specifically for servo motors, while the IC555 timer module provides a more flexible waveform generator. So this is the comparison of the output signals. IC555 has noise and wide pulse width, while the servo tester is noise free and with narrow pulse width. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.